In this video, I'll share with you what I believe is the #1 tool every online business should have. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Greatness Everyday YouTube channel. Today we're talking about what I believe is the #1 tool that every business should have, specifically online businesses or people doing business online, and that works for small businesses, medium-sized businesses, and even large businesses. So watch this video. If you want to find out when more videos come out on my channel that challenge you to upgrade your mindset, your money, and more, go down, click the subscribe button, and tap the bell to be notified when that happen. So let's jump into it today. What I believe the goal of a business is #1, going ahead and fulfilling a purpose. That's what I've created my business, Greatness Every Day, all around. But then after that, obviously it's a business. You need to make money to survive, to do the things that you want to do, to help you live out your purpose and your values. So a business needs to make money, and you do that by creating more sales. What we're talking about here in this video is something you can see here on my screen, which is specifically a software that helps you in the end make more sales, which if you look at the bottom of my screen, you're going to notice that is the goal here at the end. So you're going to see a sales funnel. Many people that are in marketing know about sales funnels. They know how they work. What we're talking about today is a software that allows people to go ahead and create really nice looking, effective, and efficient sales funnels that they can use to take people from just general clients, people watching your YouTube videos, people reading your website, into a sale and generating more income. So that's what we're here to talk about. If you want to find a link to the specific software that I'm referring to, and what I think is honestly, from my experience, the best tool that every online business should have, I've left that information down below. Take a sneak peek and learn what that software is, or keep watching this video and I'm going to reveal that for you here shortly. We're talking sales funnels. We're talking sales funnels because this software allows you to make really nice, easy looking sales funnels that are most importantly effective. They're going to get people from general traffic and your general audience into paying customers. And I've had this experience, and so many other people out there have had this experience, because the software I'm talking about is something that a lot of people have gone ahead and used and had a lot of success with. But more importantly, there's been a lot of people out there that have tried to mimic and recreate and mock and duplicate this software, make it cheaper, do all these other features. But what happens is, in my opinion, they just don't do it. They do not do the exact same thing that this software talks about and really does effectively. And that software I'm referring to is ClickFunnels. You might have heard of it before. You might have heard of Russell Brunson, who is the creator of ClickFunnels, and he's created a powerhouse. And that's why I like talking about it here in this video and some of the other things that I do on my channel, because it works. It just works. It's easy to use. I really believe that it's relatively cheap for what value it gives me in my business. And that's why I'm here sharing it with you. I wouldn't share anything that I haven't found success with. And so that's what we're going to talk about today. Looking here at the top left, you're going to see I've got some vehicles and I've got some traffic. I'm going to bring this down just above our funnel because we've got some traffic. And obviously you're watching this video on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is identify that as my first traffic source. What I'm going to put there is a YT, obviously represents YouTube. And with this now, this is what I would call just a general audience, somebody that is watching my videos on YouTube. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. So there is a really low barrier to entry. Maybe they found it on Google, maybe they were searching for my channel specifically, maybe they enjoyed the channel so much they wanted to go ahead and click the subscribe button, because then they would be able to follow along as I released more videos. That is the first traffic source that I have specifically for Greatness Every Day. And many of you might have YouTube channels of your own. So what I'm going to do is just leave this up here and we are good to go and get started. My next traffic source that I use in this whole kind of sales funnel that I've created is, we're going to talk about, let's say, Facebook, right? Facebook is something that I use a little bit. I've got a Facebook page, but I also have a Facebook group. And Facebook can be really effective depending on how you use it. So that is another traffic source that I've got. If we're going ahead and continuing on there, let's talk about Instagram. Obviously, we know what Instagram is and how effective it is. Jumping on something like Reels right now can help your growth on Instagram as well and get your content out to more people. I also have a podcast that I really enjoy doing, and I'm going to pop that up there as another traffic source. And then maybe we'll go ahead and say my online programs, because my online programs is probably what I enjoy doing the most. And I really know that they are super effective at what they do, right? So those are 5 traffic sources that I can go ahead and illustrate to you right now. I've got a website. I have other things that I do as well that bring traffic into my business. And like I said before, the whole point of a business, once we talk about kind of the purpose and reason that you've created that business, the next stage there is ultimately making money, thriving, surviving, and growing your business as well. And that's such a good thing, because we all need money to do the things that we want to do. In this analogy, in this software, I believe ClickFunnels does this really efficiently and effectively. And like I said, there's been people out there that have tried to make another software to compete with ClickFunnels. But from my experience, from my opinion, and from talking to some other people, not that are just dabbling in this, but have made a lot of money using ClickFunnels sales funnels, it's the go-to one, and one that I do not mind promoting to you here today. What we're going to talk about is this illustration of, let's say, you or somebody watching a YouTube video of mine, or potentially even a YouTube video of yours. We're going to take them through this first traffic source. So I have YouTube up top. What I'm going to do is just right now, like all of these other streams, people are going ahead and finding my content, whether it's a video, a website article that I put out, a podcast. And what they are doing is they are deciding to watch it. It doesn't cost anything. There's a super low barrier to entry. It's free. And from now, I would consider them a part of my general audience, right? The next stage is, if I said at the beginning of this video, you can go down and click the link below to learn more about this software I'm talking about. If that person goes ahead and clicks, well, they're stepping into the next stage of like content that I go ahead and do and promote and create with my channel, right? They're moving down from like this general audience into what I would call as a lead, right? And a lead is where you go ahead and you take your relationship with somebody viewing your content and consuming your content, and it gets stepped up a notch. You might go ahead and give them something for free in return for their email address, or you might just have a really good relationship with them, and they might enjoy learning from you and they want to stay connected with you. So they might give you their email information for free, right? That could be one of the ways that you step that relationship up the next step and go ahead and get a lead or develop that. From there, though, what's really interesting about what I like about ClickFunnels is once somebody moves from a general audience and they click into one of the links that you provide, you can go ahead and take that relationship up a notch by getting their information so that you can add them to an email list, so that you can add them to a Facebook group or something like that, that you can really use effectively to, in the end, take them from the general audience. And ultimately, the point of a business is moving them down this sales funnel, right, into a sale. Right? That's what we're here for. That is why I love ClickFunnels, because this software does it so easily. And one of the coolest parts for me is when I go ahead and consider adding another stream of income, I ask myself a really simple question, and that is, can it make me money in my sleep? And I believe ClickFunnels is one of the best tools that can help people do that, because the other day I was sitting at my desk once my school day ended. I'm a high school teacher. I really love that job, and I've talked about it a lot here. But one of the coolest things about using ClickFunnels is it has taken me out of the equation, because I went through my day and I taught all day. I sat down at my desk for a couple minutes after work was done, and I checked my phone, and I got a notification that someone had just enrolled in one of my online programs. I make online programs that are both free and both have a fee, because I believe I'm really able to provide that next level content for people that's really going to bring change in their life. Whether it's my course on 5 Days to Financial Freedom, which is a free course, whether it's my course on 6 Principles of Successful Investing, or my 3 V's coaching program where I challenge people to get serious about their values, their vision, and their vehicle, right? For all of those things, I can make money and have people sign up while I am out of the picture, whether I'm at work for the day or whether I'm sleeping. That's a huge game changer for me, because I know so many business people out there that put themselves into the places and do the dirty work that they really shouldn't be doing. And what I mean by that is they are taking clients in, they're having clients reach out to them, and from there, they have to go ahead and phone people. They've got to go ahead and message people. And sometimes that's not just like a 2-minute conversation, right? If somebody's signing up for something or they're paying you for something, what is happening now is they might be really picky and they might be going back and forth 10 different times through email, message, phone. And that can be time consuming and that can drain your energy. So what I really like about ClickFunnels is ClickFunnels, once you set it up and you build it, you create it, you monitor it, ClickFunnels does the hard work that really, in the end, doesn't matter. And it allows you to free yourself up for more time and keep the energy that you need to devote to other things. And that's the number one reason I like ClickFunnels. So again, it is such a good software to take people from that general audience into a paying customer or client. And that's what I love about it. So I'm going to challenge you right now. How can you add ClickFunnels into your business? Whether you're a small online business, a medium-sized business, you're a large business, whether you're an online business or you're a business who is selling online, ClickFunnels could be a really good solution for you. So I'm challenging you to step that up, think about that, and then go down below and click the link to get more information on the One Funnel Away Challenge, how you can use that to grow your business's leads and clients to make more money and to serve your business's purpose better. That's what I'm here for. I hope you like this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it. Drop your questions and comments down below. You can subscribe to our channel to find out when new videos coming out. Challenge you to upgrade your mindset, money, and more. Thanks for watching. Remember, choose greatness every day, and I'll see you next time.